welcome back to my channel. Today it's a nice weather. It's quite cold, it's not hot, so this is the perfect time for me to harvest some vegetables and fruits. I think we have a bunch now, so wanna come with us, guys? Come on, let's go. So I'm here now in my garden, guys. Let's see what we can harvest here. Oh, there's a bunch of bokchoy. Okay, let's do it. So this is what we got for bokchoy, and let's go to the other plants that I have here. I think this one. Ooh, we have to harvest this. Oh, let me show you guys. There's another bokchoy here. I think this is last year that I planted. How come there is here? Let's go get it. Well, it's still a baby, so let's just let it be to grow more. Super dami, guys. It's really a lot, and some are already red, means it's already ripe. So by the way, here in New Mexico, this is a major plant here, since New Mexico is known for green chili, so all the special recipe comes from, most of the time, is green chili. So this is so delicious, and fortunately, I learned green chili sauce to make it from this. So let's continue, guys. This is a bunch. guys, here in New Mexico, there is two kinds of chili. We're in red or green. So whenever you come here, everybody asks, which one do you like, red or green? So this is the one, the red ones. So we're done on the second bed. And this is the first bed, which is tomato. The tomato is still baby. Let's go to the third bed. Oh, I've seen some bell pepper here. Still, let's go get the green more. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. And there's a bell pepper on this second bed. Let's go get. It's gonna be red, this one. Let's wait for that one. Oh yeah, I already got the green, so and there is some too, but still baby. Okay, I also have jalapeno, but it turns red. And I have some chili cayenne. I think this is the cayenne one. Also here, but I want to be a red one, so let's gonna wait for that. Jalapeno turns into red. Interesting. I've seen bell pepper. So I got just one piece of bell pepper. I want red bell pepper, so I'm gonna wait before I harvest. And some are small, so let's wait for that. And I'm going to go check my peaches. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. There's one drop here. Still not ripe though. It's not ripe. Let's go. Still wait. Looks starting to be ripe, but still not. That one, I think. Wow, in fairness, guys, did you see that? Even its branch is broken, they're still ongoing. I thought they're not gonna be ripe. So, yahoo! There's a bunch. There. Just gonna harvest this small one before it gets yellow. Is there any more cucumber? Okay, there you go. This one is good. Where else? So that's it for cucumber. We still have baby here. Oh, my lady finger. Okra. You have okra now or what? I am seeing some. There you go. But it's baby. There's still a baby. So I have to wait. So guys, this is what we got today. Bokchoy, green chili, and we have some bell pepper and peach. So that's it for today, guys, and I'm going to show you when we harvesting the peaches, the winter squash, and cantaloupe. So thank you guys for watching today. God bless you all. If you guys are didn't subscribe yet on my channel, and please subscribe and click the notification bell so you could update on our upcoming videos. And thank you so much. God bless you guys.
Yeah, yeah. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos.